this weekend, we are hopefully not gonna have a rainstorm like New Jersey. As we can see, there's a rainstorm behind me. Let's get to it.
Thank you for being late. Your brother made it on time.
He told me he wasn't coming.
Look, he's right there, right? Who's your other brother?
Here, would you want a sticker?
Got the sticker?
There you go. Oh yeah, you should. You're his favorite one, Amanda. Well, he's my favorite, so. You named your chicken after me? Yeah. You're saying that chicken or?
No, I'm not saying she's a chicken.
Is your chicken like wild?
No,
Is it
she's chill.
Well, I'm chill, so like.
So it
makes
fits.
sense.
It
And
fits.
your chicken has to be cool,
You're gonna
right?
get a
cool.
How do we get your chicken like some swag?
Okay.
Something's on.
That'd be a funny.
If your chicken is Wait, I gotta sign a post with you. Alrighty guys, so practice sorted out some problems. We were battling car problems all the time, and unfortunately, like I said, it's a problem that we're gonna have to fix in the off season. So we just have to maintain it and continue to keep our eyes on the spark plugs. It's so much hotter here in St. Louis than normal, so it's a lot of humidity in here, and the car spark plug wires. So we're going to my top grade to battle. Mine's pretty good. Cameron is out. I don't know. I wouldn't want to. If you're a driver here, I'm going to go over my visuals for you. Are you ready?
Oh, I was about to ask for it, but please do.
At the starting line, watch the light go out. First gear, second gear through the chicane, third gear fully committed into gear, fourth gear, initiate at the 2 cone, fill outside zone 1 all the way, decel into outside zone 2 with good angle, eyes onto the wall, then stress it to OZ3, look at the beginning of the wall, fill all the way, don't leave early, take all the way out to the last of the OZ3, downshift into third gear, transition, a little bit of handbrake, on throttle, eyes up the bank, and then finish. Need some good tips for pushing.
Be on throttle before you even want to. I know you want to react, but you have to go on throttle before him to keep up with him, and you have to dorm the whole way through tree, let him go, and then dive in after the transition.
Copy.
And here is a history maker, Amanda Sorensen, the Rockstar Energy Drink pilot from Las Vegas, Nevada, 22 years old. She pilots the LS-powered BMW, and she is going against Brian Wills. Amanda Sorensen made history last year, the first ever female to podium in Formula Drift history. Here's Amanda Sorensen coming down the chute and shooting and booting into that first outside zone. Now transitioning to outside zone 2, Wills gets to the side. As you can see, it's a nasty habit, and talking about drifting, clutch kicking into that third outside zone. Now watch this transition outside zone 4. How is Amanda going to handle it? Taps that wall, stays in it. Didn't affect the vehicle too much, surprisingly, but that back right corner has definitely seen better days. And these vehicles are prepared to take a hit within reason.
Right.
You know, was that enough to disrupt the car? Is she going to call a long time out? That back right, you can see that's bashed in pretty good.
Just want to let you guys know, it wasn't a major hit the wall, but I just want to change the wheel just in case, make sure it doesn't debead. If we're changing the right rear wheel, let's change both tires, just do a tire change, so I'm on fresh tires, they're even. And we'll just do a tire change, and then make sure, Jose, you look under, make sure nothing looks crazy, okay?
Let's see. Toe plates, check EGTs, or check the plug wires.
You guys want to change that rear wheel? I kind of wouldn't be against you guys changing it. So we're gonna bring wheels back for tires too then.
Hey, just whatever you need and tools, just let me know.
Are you ready? Ready? Go!
Put it on! I don't care what the camera's set at. Put the bolt in it. I said 2 minutes.
30! 20! 10! 9!
Set it!
So, here we are again. We're in St. Louis for round 3 of Pro Spec. And I love it here. It's been the best weekend ever. It's actually been a really good weekend, actually. Unfortunately, I was feeling a little too confident in my lead run and made just a slight mistake going into OZ4, tapped the wall, but the way I tapped the wall, I just knew it was gonna affect something in the car, so I wanted to be safer than sorry. Call 5, and sure enough, the rear control arm broke, and when the guys were trying to pull it off, there was a bolt that was jammed in there that they couldn't get out, so we barely missed the timer. We were about 5 seconds short of getting it sorted, and unfortunately with the bolt being stuck in there, it just caused a little bit of a hiccup for everyone, but I know everyone put in their absolute 100% this weekend, so shout out to my team for giving me a baller car to drive. We were fighting issues the whole time, and they all executed to make everything the best that they could, and now I guess we're on to Utah, but in the meantime we're gonna go watch Brandon drive tomorrow, and hopefully he'll get a podium. So no pressure, Brandon, but please, just that could be the cherry on top for my weekend. It'd be great. And that's all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know the deal. And you know, Taylor, I gotta finish my Drift Masters edit before we can even post this, so make sure you go to the Drift Masters edit about me competing in Ireland, because I came from Goodwood. I was in Goodwood. We should talk about that. I should tell you guys. So I came from London, I was in Goodwood, and I drove a BMW CS Touring up the Goodwood Hill, which is actually insane. That was my first time up Goodwood Hill. I did some stuff with BMW this weekend, not this weekend, during Goodwood. It was great. And then I drove the hydrogen car. They debuted the Extreme H car, so that's sick. Roll clip. It's a little scary to think about, but the hydrogen car will be competing in its first FIA license hydrogen series, racing series, whatever you want to call it, in October in Saudi Arabia. So stay on the lookout for whose team I'll be driving for, because that news will be dropping, and Yeah, I came from London to here, and I'll post the Drift Masters edit. Hopefully it goes out before this goes out, so we can keep it chronological. But like, comment, subscribe, and thank you all for tuning into my journey. Right?
She said time to pack it up and go home.
I said you're the first one to say if I'm a loser or not. I agreed.
If you're a loser?
Yeah, you're always the first one to say if we're a loser.
Like you really screwed that one up?
Yeah, exactly. But I didn't screw anything up.
I mean,
well, it was my
pretty
fault.
sure you're the one that hit the wall.
I know.
So.
I got too confident there.
Well, at least your mom's consistent. I can't stand when moms are inconsistent.
There's really not a lot of sympathy that comes from my side, but just gotta fix it
Tough
for
love.
next time.
Tough love.
I think it, yeah. I don't know, they just had a malfunction in trying to fix things.
I think that they had a little malfunction on trying to fix things. I think that a nice meeting of who does what in the organizational chain would be very important.
In the chain of command, you mean? Like who's in charge and who reports to who type situation?
No, that's actually not what I'm talking about.
You're saying organizational, like for those situations?
Like 5 people can't go at the same task.
I agree. Yeah.
One guy's calling out the timer, one guy's waiting with the impact in his hand, one guy's waiting with the torque wrench in his hand, and 2 guys are the mechanic. Not 5 guys going at the same task.
Yeah, too many cooks in the kitchen.
Exactly.
Yeah. It did seem like there were a lot of people under the car.
There were a lot of people trying to do the same thing, let's put it that way.
Oh, really?